Guys, this is Anthony from Rocket Prints. Today we're going to take an antique jade dome, 90% cotton, 10% polyester, gilded t-shirt, and we're going to use this Aztec image that I purchased off of Shutterstock.com using CorelDRAW X8 to add some font and make this an original of our own. We're going to go ahead and cut it and weed it on my Expert 2 plotter cutter. Then finally we're going to take the t-shirt and we're going to press it on my Select Pro 15x15 heat press. So I hope y'all like this video, and let's go ahead and get this started.
Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be part of the community.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to take an Aztec image that I purchased off of Shutterstock.com. We're going to go on and download the template into my CorelDRAW X8, and then we're going to add some text, and then we're going to go ahead and create the whole image and place it on a t-shirt and then upload it into my Shopify store, which then it's going to be available for purchase. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. So first, let's go to new and let's import this template, and we're going to use the EPS file. Okay, we'll just zoom it out a little bit. And let's see what we're looking at here in wireframe, see if we're going to have any issues. There's something right there, you guys. You can see that. That's no biggie. Let's go ahead and clear that out if we can. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can get rid of that. Okay. Anything else? Doesn't look like it. It was just that little part, and I saw that right away. That was crazy. Let's see what this is right here. I think we can fix this part. Let's see if we just go to our pick tool. And take our nodes if we can. That's okay. That's very, very, very rare to see. Okay, well, after that, looks good to me. This is everything that we're going to be peeling to get our image to come out. And let's go ahead and add some font. Alright, so the font that I chose, we're going to use, let's download here. The font that I'm thinking that we're going to use, we're going to call this Aztec Empire. So first we're going to do Aztec. Just zoom this out, and I want to use, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot I'm still in wireframe. I want to use Goudy Stout because it's still, to me, it has that Aztec feel about it. We're going to go ahead and place that there, and we're going to make it curve around this image right here. So let's go ahead and use our Ellipse tool, and let's hold our control button so we have a good circle. And right there, let's bring this closer so we can see what we're doing. And let's go ahead and now let's fit text to path. Let's bring it out a little bit. Let's go to 0.75. I like that. Now we can go ahead and break the text apart. Take that over here. Okay, so we're going to type this in at Empire. And let's bring this out just a little bit. Going to give that gouty stout. And let's take our clips, control button. We don't want it way too big here. So let's delete this. We'll redo that one in a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to fit text to path, and we'll bring it about right there. Let's add in Aztec, and we're going to make the Aztec a lot bigger than that. We'll bring that right there. We fit text to path. And let's go and break this apart. Okay, let's take this. I messed up here. Let's do that again. Bring that out to about a 6. And one more time. Okay. All right, let's take our circle out. Let's delete it. And let's just make a little bit of an adjustment here. Take that and bring this back down. All right. Alright guys, now that we got our image, we're going to create this into a PDF file, and then we're going to download it into my Shopify store. But first, I want to create the t-shirt. I want to see how it's going to look with my vinyl. So let's just go ahead and make everything black, and do function of 12. And we're going to create a hairline. All right. For the layout, we're going to put this in the bottom left corner. And we're going to go to layout up here on top, page setup. Get page size. One thing I forgot. We got to go here. Got to go to print. We got to set up our cutter. We're going to export 224. Hit apply. And then I think we have to go back and change this. Yes, we do. Bottom left corner, hit apply. Then we can get out of that. Go back to layout, setup, and then click that. Now it changed to custom. Okay, now that it's changed, we're ready to go ahead and start printing. But first, we got to do one last thing. We got to mirror the image. So we're going to do the mirror horizontally. Now it's mirrored. Now let's go and print. Alright, so let's go ahead and press this shirt. Just put that there. Take this off. Take our lint roller. Make sure we get all the lint out. Bring that out here. Alright, let's press it. Take the Aztec. Alright, let's go and press it. Peel this off. Now we're going to go ahead and place the image. I'm just going to bring this up some. Okay. Let's go ahead and bring this in. Right there. Bring it down. Let's go ahead and peel this. All right. Check that out, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to go and place my logo on here. Give it another press. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching this video. And my heart goes out to the George Floyd family. God bless you. Justice will be served. And we'll see you guys back next week. Talk to you later. And you all be safe out there. And peace.